Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm ArtistAdyasha and today we'll be making popsicle stick craft. But before we get into the video, like, share, and subscribe. And let's get on to the video. What you're going to need for this craft is a cup of water, a hot glue gun, paint brushes, a black, blue, red, white colors of tempura paint, 10 to 15 popsicle sticks, a pencil, an eraser, Sharpie, and a paper towel. First, you want to round up 10 popsicle sticks and then get 4 popsicle sticks, one here, another here, one right next to it, and then the next to it like this. And then you want to hot glue them down to connect them. Now that you glued it all together, now we're going to start painting it. So I made purple, pink, light pink, and pink purple. I made the light pink with 2 drops of white and 1 drop of red. And then I made the pink purple with blue and red mixed together, and then I added a little bit white and red mixed together to make this color. I did blue and red and white to make this color, and I did red and white, and then a little bit of red to make this color. We're going to make the background first. You want to get an old toothbrush, dip it in white paint, and then make some stars. Now that you've done the stars, now you want to draw a design. You can do any design that you want to, but I'm going to do a girl holding a bunch of balloons. And if it's easier for you, you can draw it on a piece of paper and then cut it out and then place it and then just trace it. So you don't have to erase and ruin the paint job. Now that you've drawn your design, you're going to paint it black because it's a silhouette. Now I'm going to draw the balloons. There will be 5 balloons. Our girl cannot be floating, so we have to draw her some land. So you just want to draw a big curve right here. You want to get the side of the toothbrush, dip it in the paint, the side, and then now we're going to hot glue this onto the back of our craft so we can hang it up on the wall. this is our final product. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, share, and subscribe. I hope you followed along to these steps to make this beautiful popsicle stick craft. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!